Hello through the whole world again. It's Lwandile here, the leader and the instructor of Manikwe School. This is the chapter we're working on, and by the way, we're still working on the very first exercise on this chapter in case you're curious. Okay, and that exercise is right here under 3.8. Okay. So I'll keep naming my exercise, and then I'll leave a space. I'll go 3_8_ and then the name of that exercise. And then finally, I'll include either A, B, or C, okay? One of those letters. And if you've been following me up to now, you would know what do they mean. And if you don't, basically, those letters, they represent one of three solutions, okay, because each and every exercise will be solved in at least one way. Okay, again, you guys, if you haven't yet read through the question, this is it right here. We're doing number 1. We're basically displaying 50 random numbers between 3 and 6 inclusively. Okay, again, I've already given a solution on this exercise. However, you know what? I am the one who's mistaken, you guys. I thought, you know what? I'll only give out one solution for this exercise right here. So basically, right now I'm doing the second exercise. I've got to write a program that generates a random number x between 1 and 50, a random number y between 1 and 5, and then computes x to the exponent of y. Okay, so that is what I'm here to do. So here's a deal. Let me create a variable called power. Of course, I need to prompt the user to enter power. In this case, power will be y. Okay, and then I'll have another variable called the number, which will be let me get back to the problem. Write a program that generates a random number x between 1 and 50, right? A random number y between 2 and 5. Between 2 and 5. Okay, that's pretty clear. Let me get back to this right here. You know what, you guys, I'm kinda confused, okay? Not because of this problem, of course. Got my own stress. Anyways, let me try to forget about it and then keep going. So first things first, we need to import the rand_in function, okay? Now that we've done that, let's take care of x. So x is gonna be a random number between 1 and 50, right? And then y will be, of course, we need a small letter there. Not that capital letter won't do it, it's just that it's bad for programming convention. For y, we need a random number between 2 and 5, right? Now that we've got those, I need to display the results. So x is equals to, and then I put x. I want to leave a space, a type space, and y is equals to, I'll put a y okay, and then finally I'll print the results, which will look like, oops, not over there. X to the exponent of y is equals to, x to the exponent of y is equals to what? Is equals to pow. Then we put x and then 1. Okay. We're saving it now. This is my second solution. So let me go through again to check out in case I messed up somewhere, somehow. It seems like I didn't. And if I did, we'll see through on the results. Okay, let me hit the run button and see what we get. A run. So for x we've got 49, for y we've got 2. So that's our answer right there. Let's try something else. Okay, I can keep doing this. Till the world ends, you guys. We'll keep getting one and the same thing, which is the correct solution. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers,